this time for my holidays, and we went for shopping, and you know which time it is. It's the sale time. I bought a lot of things. I did online shopping. I went to different stores, website, shop to stop. They had a lot of offers. So a lot of my friends were asking where did I buy those stuff from, and I thought I would do a small shopping haul or try-on haul. So yeah, I can help you guys out. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I went to the online website. There was huge sale on Myntra, Coops, and one of the major things I like about Coops, we buy anything from Coops and you won't have, you can't doubt it because the material is always so good. Like even if it's like 300 bucks or 200 bucks on sale, it will still be so amazing. So yeah, I got this from Myntra for 400 bucks, I guess.
I'm wearing the blue top with my black shorts. You can wear it with denim or black jeans, and I'm pairing it up with my slip-on shoes.
So next up are crop tops. Now I was in serious need of some crop tops because I had such nice flary skirts and nice palazzos, printed palazzos. So I wanted some block crop tops in black and white. So I bought 2 crop tops. Like I literally went to the website and looked for it, and one of the best ones that I got was this one. Now this one I bought it from Myntra, and it was around 300 or 400, 300 or 400 bucks. And the best thing I like about it, there is like a leather finish in the mid of the top, and it has a zip at the back. So that is pretty cool, and it fits me so nicely. So yeah, something nice. So the next thing that I bought was the white crop top, of course. So I bought this from Myntra as well. It is actually for, I don't know, what's the price tag? Oh, I think I told the price tag. Okay, so it was actually, I don't know how much it was actually for, but it was for some, 300 or 400 bucks. And I'm really satisfied with the pattern that is there on the top. But yeah, it works for me, I guess. So yeah, cool with this. So yeah, next I went to Coops, my favorite website. So yeah, Coops had a lot of offers, and I bought few of the things just like that because they look so pretty. And so I bought this skirt. Yes, I really like this skirt because first of all I needed some skirt, like some block colored skirt, and this was in red, and yeah, I think I've started liking red. Maybe, I don't know.
You can wear the black crop top with any jeggings or denim, blue denim, or black jeans or black shorts. I'm wearing the white cold shoulder crop top with the red skirt that I bought, and I'm wearing it with the black canvas shoes that I have. And you can wear junk jewelry to make your neck look even more dressy. I also tried the red skirt with the blue top, and it gives me a very day-like look, and I teamed it up with the black canvas again, and it makes it look so cool.
So next up that I got is again a top from Coops. Now this one is so pretty. This is like the best thing that I bought, and yeah, my mom was being a little weird about it, but I was like, no, I want it, and it's so pretty. So basically the front is short and the back is long, so I look like a princess when I'm walking, and I can team it up with high-waisted jeans or jeggings, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And the thing is, it's block color, so I can wear it with printed patterns.
Now this look is a little bit dressy as I'm wearing it with my high heels and my metallic accessories. You can make it more casual by wearing it with slip-on shoes or canvas shoes and team it up with the right accessories and you're good to go.
Got a pair of slip-ons. So yeah, slip-ons. So yeah, these 400 bucks, I guess. Yeah. So these were really good, and I was in real serious need of slip-on shoes, because you know how sunny it can get in Bangalore and your foot gets dark and all that, and I cannot deal with that at all. So yeah, so I got these flurry new slip-ons. Now let's go to the real stores, the existing stores where I can see and try stuff and buy those things. So one of the biggest and one of the most amazing things that I got is this shrug, and it was on 70% off, I guess. So I got it for some 400 bucks, which is really great. I didn't get it in my size, it's medium, and I didn't want that. The color was so pretty and it was so nice and flirty, and I wanted something in a bright color shrug, because I have all the dull color shrugs or dark color shrugs, which goes with all the colorful tops. So yeah, so that was one of the good bargains that I got.
I'm wearing the shrug with my black crop top and black jeggings, pairing it up with my golden chappals, which makes it look so ethnic.
So if you guys like my video, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye!